Alright, we're going to see here a frame, a wooden frame, and two color types. You can see the ground, this is of the green color, and on the top you can see here this is on the blue color. So this is going to be a landscape painting, and I'm doing the painting on the wooden canvas, and you can see the selected color is the acrylic color. So you can say that it's almost a the permanent painting, so it's not going to be damaged over the long time span. Okay, so let's start the drawing of a house. Here in this corner we're going to put the simple color, and we're going to draw a simple cottage. All right, so okay, it's going to be a pitch roof house. So you can see the pitch roof, there's the basic outlines. Another one here, because of the water the color is fading away, so later we have to do the regular outlines again for the shape. Okay, in this point we're going to do some details of the grasses on the landscape. So let's put the grasses here little bit. Every details you do for the landscape drawing is counted for, and the each details defines a particular characteristics of the graphics. All right, and all these three lines are uh, the separate presentations, and you can see in some portions we are going to have the darker the green tone, and we're going to put the tree lines or the longer grasses special outlines or along these darker lines. So that's the idea. So it defines the variations of the landscape and the terrain. Okay, all right. And in some places if you like to see that some trees, so we can put the trees over the houses and other skylines. The trees looks good, so it's just few the brush strokes in the skyline, and the trees are going to be visible. And here you can see few smaller trees, which is just expanded to the horizontal combinations. Later we're going to draw the branches, and some places the grass are taller. Okay, so the bottom part is going to be the darker for the tree lines, and the top part is going to be the lighter. So going to put the same idea for the whole thing. Okay, and you can see some green shades over the skylines. Over the skylines, awesome. Okay, so the tree lines is done. Now we're going to put the branches. So let's make the connection points. You can see putting the lines together, and the tree is getting nicely visible. Awesome. Here also you can see the tree lines. Okay, and the house drawing again we are trying. Let's see what happens this time. This is the second time we're going to draw the house. Okay, I hope this time it's getting better, because the paintings it's dry over the time. Okay, so the doors on the side and windows on the other side, you can see. Now the thing is that drawing has to be dry, and we're going to put the border of the black color, and the drawing is going to be totally fine. Okay, so the landscape it's okay and it's getting good. In this portion we're going to put some white color. Let's go for the white color, just mixing up some colors here to give the landscape a different variations. Okay, so taking the white colors here and making the color tone a little bit brighter. All right, okay, so the drawing you can see it's almost complete, and the whole scenery is visible. Let's do the painting to the uh, whole coverage. After some times it's going to dry, and the details of the the house we can do it after some moments. Okay, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned with the Blue Hand Drawing channel, and in our next videos we're going to build more interesting stuffs. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thank you very much. Have a good day.